Hey bestie! If your lips are dry, flaky, or just not giving that soft, glossy vibe, today's video is for you. We're making 100% natural, super hydrating lip balms and glosses using ingredients you already have at home. No chemicals, no Vaseline, just pure glow. Let's make your lips naturally juicy. Method 1. Coconut Glow Balm. Start by melting 2 teaspoons of coconut oil and half a teaspoon of beeswax. Beeswax helps the balm stay solid and locks in moisture, while coconut oil nourishes deeply. Add a few drops of vanilla extract or essential oil for scent. If you want a little tint, crush a small piece of your favorite lipstick or add a bit of beetroot powder. Mix well and pour into a tiny container. Once it cools, you'll have a soft, glowy balm that smells amazing and melts right into your lips. Method 2. Rose Kiss Balm. This one's for my floral girlies. Warm 1 teaspoon of almond oil and half a teaspoon of shea butter or coconut oil. Add a few rose petals and let them steep for 2 to 3 minutes. This releases their natural color and scent. Strain the petals out and add a tiny drop of rose essential oil if you like. Pour it into a container and let it set. It's soothing, smells divine, and gives a delicate pink tint, perfect for everyday use. Method 3. Sweet Beet Gloss. Grate a little fresh beetroot and squeeze out the juice. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and half a teaspoon of beeswax to a bowl, then warm them together. Once melted, add a few drops of beet juice for that natural rosy red tint. Mix well and let it cool. This one looks like a lip gloss, but feels like a lip treatment. Glossy, healing, and totally edible safe. Want to upgrade your balm? Try adding 1 capsule of vitamin E for smoothness, anti-aging, and hydration. Before applying, exfoliate gently. Mix a bit of honey and sugar, scrub your lips for 20 to 30 seconds, and rinse. Your balm will absorb 10 times better, and your lips will look instantly smoother. And that's it, bestie. 3 easy, 100% natural ways to make your own lip balm and gloss at home. No Vaseline, no chemicals, just clean beauty. If you try one, let me know your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your DIY bestie. Stay natural, stay glowing.